Have you ever wanted a green and spicy old-fashioned? Who would have known? Let's do this. Welcome back to Old-Fashioned Ways, and with this fantastic new syrup sent to me by my buddy The Gnome from Gnome's Tavern and Happy Rapper Distillery, I wanted to find a way to highlight the cucumber lemon mint syrup and give a little spin on it.
Spin?
I was able to make 2 amazing drinks using the lavender lemon peppercorn syrup. So if you have not seen that video yet, I will leave a link to it right here and also in the description below. They also have their original hibiscus syrup and pecan praline syrups. All the syrups are made in New Orleans.
Woohoo! New Orleans!
So if you want to grab one of those beauties, go to www.504rum.com and use my code OldFashionedWays10 to get 10% off your order. I will leave the information in the description below. Today, I will be making one of the 2 drinks from the cucumber lemon mint syrup. I'll be making a cucumber tres leches old-fashioned. Cocktail quiz time! Trechas is not well known throughout the US, so what is Trechas chili powder? In my area, we grow it with Trechas and use it often to flavor fruits and often sprinkle on cucumbers. So I thought this would be a perfect match for this old-fashioned. Have you ever had Trechas? Let me know in the comments below. I tried to make this recipe with both bourbon and rye. And the bourbon highlighted the mint and muted the cucumber flavor. The rye seemed to tone down the mint and highlight the cucumber more. In this drink, I wanted to highlight the cucumber flavor more, so I decided to use the rye and a good amount of the cucumber lemon mint syrup. I plan to use this syrup in another cocktail and do a pimp style old-fashioned soon. Once that video is released, I will leave a link to it right here and in the comments below. If you are enjoying the videos, please hit that like button and please subscribe. Let's start making a cucumber trechas old-fashioned. Cucumber Trechas Old-Fashioned ingredients: 2 ounces Ben Milam rye, 1 ounce cucumber lemon mint syrup, 2 dashes lime bitters, powdered trechas, cucumber for garnish. Let's start making the cucumber trechas old-fashioned. In a chilled glass partially rimmed with trechas, we're going to pour in the 1 ounce of cucumber lemon mint syrup. Next, we're going to add 2 dashes of the lime bitters. You only need 2 dashes. The lime bitters becomes overpowering really quickly. Next, we're going to pour in the 2 ounces of Ben Milam rye. This rye is 90.4 proof. I believe you need a lower proof rye not to overpower the syrup in this recipe. I recommend using a rye closer to 90 proof. Next, we're going to add a large ice and stir. Next, we're going to garnish with a sliced cucumber sprinkled with trechas. And there you have it, the cucumber trechas old-fashioned. Cocktail quiz time! Trechas is not well known throughout the US. So what is Trechas chili powder? It is a salty lemon powder with iodized salt, citric acid, red peppers, and is often used to season fruits and vegetables like cucumbers. It is now time to taste the cucumber trechas old-fashioned. Here we go. So I really like the way that this rye does allow some of the cucumber to stand out, and it kind of mutes the mint.
Mint?
Because the mint is not what I'm trying to highlight in this one. But in this one, you do get to taste that cucumber and the rye. Now, I drank it on the side without the trechas on it. So now we're gonna taste it on the side with the trechas, as this drink was meant to be drank. And there you go. That reminds me of when I was younger.
Well, younger.
We used to put trechas on cucumbers like this and eat them. A lot of people still do it on their fruit. It's such a good, enjoyable, tasty treat. It adds a little bit of saltiness and spice to the sweetness of the cucumbers or the fruits that you use.
Fruits on a go! Go, fruits!
And with you being able to taste a cucumber in this drink, you get that taste. You get it like if you're almost biting into a cucumber that's a little bit more muted. It's not super cucumbery, but you do taste that cucumber. A cucumber! With that rye kind of coming through at the end. It's going for another drink here. Now, you could definitely line the whole rim with that. There can be some people who might think it's just a little bit too much and want to have a chance to taste it on both sides. And that's why I decided to do just a partial rimming of it. So when you do taste it without the trechas, you get a good cucumber old-fashioned. But by doing it on the trechas side, you get the trechas cucumber old-fashioned with that saltiness, with that spice, just going over your tongue, cucumber kind of settling in the middle, and the rye finishing off at the end. And then at the end, you get that nice little Kentucky hug.
Hug, 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 hug.
I really wasn't sure how this one would turn out. I did have to experiment a little bit, but I'm very happy with the way this one did turn out. If you've never tried trechas, I suggest you order some and try it. You'll actually find that it's pretty amazing, put in a lot of different things. It kind of reminds me of almost like a Hispanic Frank's hot sauce where you put that on everything. If you're liking these videos, make sure to check out my other videos using these syrups. I have really enjoyed playing with this and trying to highlight the syrups and making great drinks with that. So thank you again for joining me on another old-fashioned rabbit hole. It's been a fun journey. The journey just keeps getting more and more delightful. Cheers, my friends.